Are you looking for an exciting and fast-paced career? Look no further than booming aviation industry. Hindustan Aerospace and Engineering offers aircraft maintenance engineering course, which gives you an opportunity to work in challenging aviation industry. We are delighted to introduce one of the best institute in India for aircraft maintenance engineering course, that is Hindustan Aerospace and Engineering, Pune. We are approved by Director General of Civil Aviation, Government of India. Established in the year 2005, under the banner of Shashi Group of Institutions, the largest group in South Asia, for imparting training in the field of aircraft maintenance engineering. Located in the heart of Pune city, in Indian western state of Maharashtra, the city which is often called the Oxford of East. We impart aircraft maintenance engineering course with an outstanding performance in national and international cadre. We have state-of-the-art infrastructure, like well-equipped labs, functional aircraft, live mock-ups, most modern classrooms, modern library, high-tech computer lab, playground and many more facilities, which give a comfort and peaceful educational environment to learners of Hindustan Aerospace and Engineering. Now let's go for short campus tour. We start from our admin block. From here we look after the campus activities. This is our information cum help center, from where learners of HE get 24/7 assistance in all aspects. Now, we are taking you to our academic section, where theory and practical classes, sports and other activities are conducted. Now, have a look on our modern, spacious and comfortable classrooms, with all modern amenities, like audio-visual systems, OHP etc. Functional aircraft and aircraft mock-ups are important component of practical training. In aviation technology, we have modern and functional aircraft placed within our premises for better understanding of theory taught in the class. Now, we are introducing our practical labs, which enable our learners to face the challenges of 21st century in exclusive career field. This is our fitting shop, where learners learn the basic engineering hands. Have a look on our general engineering machine shop, equipped with all the necessary machine, with latest technologies. And this is our welding stations with latest welding machine. Apart from basic engineering labs, we have various avionics and engine shops like the electrical shop, with most of aircraft electrical components and equipments, electrical tools, precise measuring instruments etc. Instrument lab, with various aircraft instruments, and live mock-ups, for better understanding of complicated instruments, used on modern aircrafts. Radio lab, with various aircraft communication systems and live mock-ups, for better understanding of system, used on modern aircrafts. Now, coming to the power system of aircraft, that is engine segments. This is our piston engine lab, where various type of piston engine and its components are placed for practical demonstration. This is our enriched jet engine shop, where various type of jet engines and its components are kept for practical demonstration. Like this, we have many more practical shops, like airframe shop, propeller shop, non-destructive test rooms, lead-acid battery shop, nickel-cadmium battery shop, etc. Have a look at sports and extracurricular activities. We believe education is incomplete without sports. We are glad to share the sports moments at Hindustan Aerospace and Engineering. We continuously organize competitions in sports activities in the name of Sports Week, in which many games are played and the performers are awarded. Learners of Hindustan Aerospace and Engineering always have great enthusiasm towards extracurricular activities. We organize various cultural activities on the eve of national festivals, farewells, annual days, Teachers' Day, etc. We have a lot more to share with you, like placements, what our alumni says, and curriculum vitae of teaching stuff. We are well known in aviation industry for our highly qualified and experienced teaching staff, which is proved many times by fetching good results in exams conducted by Director General of Civil Aviation, Government of India. We invite you to visit our facilities. For any information, we are located at 258/2 Balaji Park, Pune, Pune 411007. Visit www.shashibiyadu.com or feel free to call our executives on 1800-233-0786 or 9373-054-690. Thanks for sparing your valuable time.